Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, we are going to be doing this. Right. Okay, let's try that again, shall we? As you can see, we are going to be doing this massive, well, I don't want to say massive because it's not giving massive. I want to do this unboxing and shopping haul. So, I have spent a total of £200 on this haul. So let's get started. Now I want to get the boring stuff out of the way. So this is my package from Amazon. I don't know why they've given me this kind of package, but yeah, great. Oh, okay, such a huge envelope for two tiny things. So this thing over here, this is a lightning to USB adapter that I bought because I also bought a USB. Now I bought this USB because since starting my YouTube channel, I've been filming on my phone and it's taking up a lot of space. So I thought a 512 gigabyte USB would do the trick. And because it's going in my phone, I bought an adapter with it. So these are just some techie, boring things, and let's get that out of the way. Brilliant. Now, let's move on to this big one over here, which, as you can see, it's already been opened because there were a few necessities that I needed. So I just bought, actually, why don't I remember what I bought? So this is just a cute little woolly cardigan that I bought because even though it's summer, the weather can sometimes play tricks. So I thought, let me just buy myself a cute little woolly cardigan just in case. I also bought my favorite thing in the world right now, and it's this Shein basic dress that I practically wear every day. I have a black version, but I ended up going with this brown one here just so I can mix it up a little bit. And yeah, this is great for home. I'll insert a picture somewhere, but this is great for just wearing at home. It's lightweight, it's nice, it's comfy. I love it. So this is perfect for me. And I have the same thing. I accidentally ordered it twice, but then I thought, okay, I'll keep one for home and I'll keep one for like outside if I ever want to. So let's move on. Cult Beauty is great for makeup things, skincare, I think fragrances. There was a nice little sale on. Hi guys, so unfortunately my audio had cut out at this point, so I'm going to have to do a quick little voiceover. Anyways, here I am with my two products that I bought from Cult Beauty, both Charlotte Tilbury products. It is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray and the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. I think these two are just a game changer when it comes to makeup setting, like a snatched base. I cannot live without it. These products are very pricey, however I try to save by getting the travel versions of the powder. But like the travel version of the powder lasts me for about 2 years, so that's okay. I don't think I really need the bigger one. I do get full sized for the sprays because that doesn't last me very long. I use it and my mum uses it with me, so we go through that very quickly. I feel like both of these products combined with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake is a game changer. They work so well together and it makes my makeup look 10 out of 10. Okay, so back to Shein. I did 2 Shein orders and this one is more for arts and crafts. So I bought myself a very cute Hygge Place colouring book, the Coco Wayo colouring books. They're so cute. Seen them all over TikTok, and you've probably seen in my last video I used it, so go and have a look at that video if you haven't already. These colouring books are so cute and I can't wait to use them. I also bought myself some colouring pens because if you're getting a nice new colouring book, you need good colouring pens. I found these water-based colours from Shein and they've been working very well so far. I won't lie, one or two of them did come dry and they're not usable. However, the rest of them are amazing, they're super inky and again, very worth it. The colouring book has been amazing so far. I find that the colouring book is so therapeutic. I've done a few pages so far and it honestly just helps me unwind, it helps me relax, and it's fun and it's cute, and I've really enjoyed finding new ways to actually colour and create cute designs. And I know it sounds simple, like, oh, you know, who needs to learn how to colour, but if you're on colouring TikTok, you will see that there are so many ways to create cute designs, so I'm loving it so far. I also bought a white marker separately because white markers really help create highlights in the colouring pages, and it just looks really cute and ties the whole colouring page together. Here are some colourings I have done so far. It honestly turns out super cute, and again, I've really enjoyed learning how to create really cute designs and just take my colouring skills to a next level. Finally, for the main girly, here she is, my fat boots order. This boots order has been sitting in my room for so long. I've been dying to open it. I thought we need content. So I mainly bought a few essentials, nothing crazy, nothing fancy pantsy, just a few things that I need. So first essential is the Nizoral dandruff treatment. Now this has been a game changer for me. I don't have to use it often because one use is enough. I find myself using it at least once every 2 months, so this has been really good and I definitely recommend it. I then got myself some Radox bath soak, bubble bath thing. I love to have a soak every now and then. I love to treat myself. Nowadays, especially the older I'm getting, the less time I want to spend in the shower. However, there are times I just want to have a little dip and treat myself. Along with some shower gels. I love the Radox shower gels. I think they're really nice. They smell so good. I don't use this on its own. I do double cleanse. And I think these Radox shower gels really makes a good second cleanser because it smells nice and it works well once you start moisturizing your body. However, it is important that you have a first cleanser, something that isn't scented like Dove Bar or anything like that. And that is it. Here we are with my not so massive £200 shopping haul. I really loved making this video. It was so fun. I feel like this is the first time that I was able to speak live, obviously before my audio cut out. However, I really enjoyed it. I feel like I'm starting to get used to doing voiceovers and I'm very excited to create more videos like this. Let me know what you think of the video in the comments below, and if you are interested in any of these products, I will put them in the description with links. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye.